All right, we're recording the sewer line here at 5117 47th Avenue Northeast. Date is January 13th, 2021. I'm making this recording at the end of our job here. Bob Oates performed as a sewer repair. Line had a break when we started, and we went ahead and lined a section of the pipe, repaired a section of the pipe, and I'm going to show it to you now on this video. So we're looking at the Seattle City main. This is running around along the back side of these homes here. There's actually a main line running kind of on the fence line of the back of the house, and that is the main you're looking at right there with the water flowing by. We've also got a little bit of groundwater seepage that comes in on our line, so you'll see some water coming in there. So we come back from there. We come within 1 foot of the city main as proposed, coming back into 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner. So this is a 6-inch diameter liner we installed through this section of the line. This was originally all concrete. Yeah, you see a little bit of that water running through here. That's that groundwater, and I'll show you where that's coming in here as we come back. Coming into our 6-inch diameter repair that comes back into a 4-inch diameter repair. So it was a 4x6 section there. That was that plastic we just went through. That was the where the original break had occurred. And now we're back into 4-inch diameter liner. So you come around a slight turn there. And here's the gap we allowed in that liner to allow this groundwater seepage to kind of come into the hole. There's a foundation issue inside the home, and they actually kind of did a funky tap into the sewer line to allow that foundation leakage to go somewhere. So we left that functioning as is. Now we're coming back into another section of 4-inch diameter liner. And right into our plastic. So you see the liner lipped right into the plastic, kind of as we proposed. This section of pipe was replaced previous from a different company, so that's the end of the Bob Oates work, is right here where that liner ends, and this was previous work done by someone else. Come up out of the clean out. There's your clean out access I'm making this recording from. That's the end of the video today.